Today, we're going to talk about wildfire smoke, how it can affect your health, and how to use your air purifier to make the air inside your home cleaner. In Central Oregon, wildfire smoke has become a regular part of life. Smoke contains very small particles that can get deep into the lungs. These particles can irritate the eyes, nose, and throat, and can make breathing problems, heart problems, asthma, and other medical conditions worse. People with disabilities, older adults, children, and people with chronic health conditions can be affected more quickly. So let's keep this simple. We're going to cover why wildfire smoke is dangerous, how to protect yourself outdoors, how to reduce smoke inside your home, and how to install and use the air purifiers many households in the Central Oregon Disability Support Network receive. When smoke levels are bad, the best thing to do is limit your time outside. Try to avoid heavy activity like exercise, yard work, or anything that makes you breathe harder. If you do need to go outside, keep the trip as short as possible. A well-fitting N95 mask can help reduce how much smoke you breathe in. Regular cloth masks do not provide the same protection from wildfire smoke particles. For caregivers, it helps to plan ahead. Pick up medications early, combine errands, and think about what the person you support may need on smoky days. When it's smoky outside, keep windows and doors closed as much as possible. If you have air conditioning, use the recirculate setting if available, so it's not constantly pulling in outside air. It helps to create a cleaner room inside your home. That might be a bedroom or living room, especially the room where the person spends the most time. It also helps to avoid adding more particles indoors. During wildfire smoke events, try not to smoke, vape, burn candles, fry food, broil food, or vacuum. Those activities can make indoor air worse. Many households may receive either the SIESEAN AP-400 or the grōvpure Aspen. Both are portable room air cleaners designed to remove particles from the air. That matters because wildfire smoke is made up of tiny airborne particles, and these machines are designed to reduce those particles indoors. Now let's show how to set them up and how to use them. Let's start with the SIESEAN AP-400. If you have this unit, the filter setup is behind the side cover panels. First, remove all outer packaging. Place the purifier on a firm, dry, flat surface. Grip the upper half of the filter cover from the air inlets on both sides, pull it outward, and then lift the cover slightly. Remove the filters from inside the purifier, take the plastic packaging off the filters, then reinstall the filters in the correct order. Then reinstall the filter cover by aligning it, putting the bottom rod into the groove and gently pushing it flat. To operate it, plug it in. It starts in standby mode. Press the power button, and after a short countdown, it enters automatic mode. In automatic mode, the built-in air quality sensor checks the room air and adjusts the fan speed based on the air quality. The AP-400 also has sleep mode. Three fan speeds. Timer settings for 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. Child lock. Dimmer control, and a reset function for filter replacement reminders. The AP-400 works best when air can move freely around it. Do not block the air inlet or outlet, and keep it away from curtains and walls. On smoky days, place the purifier in the room where you spend the most time. Keep windows and doors closed and let the purifier run for long periods. Auto mode is a good everyday setting. If the smoke is especially heavy, you may want to use a higher fan speed for a while. Now let's look at the grōvpure Aspen. If you have this unit, the filter is accessed from the back. Go to the back of the unit and pull on the back cover handle to open it. Remove the filter using the tabs. Take the plastic bag off the new filter. Then put the filter into the machine with the opening of the filter facing up. Reinstall the back cover by putting the bottom in first, then snap it into place. Now let's turn it on. Press the power button. Then press the A button to put it in automatic mode. In automatic mode, the purifier can raise the fan speed when the air gets worse and lower it again when the air improves. You can also use the fan button to cycle through speeds 1 through 4. The timer button lets you choose 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. If you need to reset the filter light after changing the filter, hold the filter or brightness button for 5 seconds. To turn child lock on or off, hold the power button for 5 seconds. The Aspen pulls air from both the front and back, so it should be placed away from walls and furniture so air can move freely. Whichever purifier you have, the most important thing is to use it in the room where you spend the most time. Keep windows and doors closed, do not block the air intake or outlet, and remember, even if you can still smell some smoke, the purifier may still be removing a large amount of the harmful particles from the air. So here's the big takeaway. When wildfire smoke is bad, try to stay indoors. Limit outside exposure, use an N95 if you must go out, and run your air purifier in a closed room to help create cleaner indoor air. If you are a client or caregiver, now is a good time to make sure you know which purifier you have, where it will go, and how to install and operate it before smoke season gets worse. Thank you for watching, and please stay safe.